Hey guys, hi. After 2 weeks of vacation, I'm back in action and filming again. Here's another intraday report, the softcore index and the latest news, what I'm currently developing, and what I've recently added to the index of my trading systems. So, the first piece of news, during my vacation, I didn't just sit around doing nothing. Trading is my hobby as well, so I spent some time on development and created a system that works, which allows you to create synthetic assets and trade them. In this case, I trade on bundles of currency pairs that are built based on the principle of correlation. For example, the currency pair USD against the Singapore dollar in combination with USD against the yen, they end up with this kind of histogram of their convergence and divergence, their spread, that is the difference between their quotes. Because considering that both here and there we have USD as the currency, there is a certain pattern in their movement, a similar dynamic. And so when the quotes seem to diverge from each other, this histogram starts to grow. When they diverge in the opposite direction, the histogram grows in the opposite direction. And I trade based on the divergence of these histograms. The indicator independently analyzes the spread, that is, the interaction between different currency pairs, their divergence and convergence, and displays it here as horizontal and vertical lines, indicating when trades should be made. So here, for example, I'm trading, there's an open pair, USD against the Singapore dollar. I sold USD against the yen, I bought, and right here, I had a horizontal line indicating that I should sell the spread of these currency pairs. And I got, this is the online result, well about $1.50 profit when this histogram reaches its point. At this level, let's say, there will be about $7 profit, and for me, that's how it works. In this way, I've created 35 windows with different currency pairs on various forex pairs. And so, after a week of trading with a small lot size, here it's 0.01, a very small trading lot, I've already earned $176. I've included this system in my core index because the core index, it's not just about how my trading bots work, but also how my manual trading systems operate. The second piece of news. At long last, as I had promised users for a while, I created an account where I show how I trade using the divergence bomber system, which is a system for trading on divergences. Divergences between the quotes and the MACD oscillator indicator. The indicator automatically gives trading signals, and I trade based on those signals. By the way, just to make absolutely sure that everything looks exactly right, correct and clear for each system, I created a monitoring for each one. This is DB1, which stands for Divergence Bomber Test Account number 1. On this account, in about a week and a half of trading, I earned 11% profit with this system. I also included it in the core index because the core index shows how my systems work. This is a demonstration of how my systems operate. And there's also a new system, which I have now finished testing and have started trading manually for demonstration purposes. This system is called Superhero. This system is designed for trading swing reversals. Here as well, in just a week, I've already made $56 in profit, trading with a small lot size. I'm working and this system also has its own monitoring. Here I made 5% profit. This system will also be included in the core index. And by the way, regarding the synthetic portfolio, here I have this monitoring. Almost 20% profit has already been earned. And let me remind you what this looks like on a real account. This is what the system looks like. That is, it's a huge number of windows. All these windows give me trading signals in the form of push notifications as pop-up windows. I just make the trades. There is also an automatic trading function here. But right now I'm testing this system. Already 20% profit within the test. I've achieved that. So I think that's quite a good result. And here's what the monitoring of this trading account looks like. Here's the growth. There are a lot of trades. I mentioned 36 windows, and on each window, a bundle of orders is opened. So if I make a trade here, now let's just say, for example, that I go ahead and press the sell spread button right here. That is when I get a signal that the spread between the quotes of these two currency pairs, they start to diverge, with the quotes of one currency pair moving down of one asset and the others moving up. Then this histogram starts to drop down. I press sell spread because the histogram is dropping down the spread. The spread between the quotes of the two currency pairs starts to widen, and I pressed sell spread, and two trades are opened at once. Let's say if it's a sell spread, it's the Australian dollar against the USD and the New Zealand dollar against the USD. Out USD. I sold the New Zealand dollar against the USD and I bought the Australian dollar against the USD. And in this way, two trades are opened with one button. One currency pair is bought, the other is sold. I make money on the spread, on the divergence of these currency pairs. When I press buy, I will make a profit when the spread between them increases in this direction. In this way, on 35 asset windows, if I open one pair of orders on each, that makes 70 trades. I trade with the minimum lot size so as not to lose my capital, since I'm using all the equity of my trading account. That's why there is such a huge number of trades at the same time, but not necessarily 70 all at once. Not all currency pairs, not all windows give signals at the same time, but there are a lot of them like this. In this way, I earned 19% in 2 weeks with this system, which is the monthly profitability. But let's say I estimate it at 30%, meaning that with 30% per year, you can increase your capital 3 or 4 times. I think this is a good system, and soon it will be available for sale on the MQL5 market. When I finish it completely, the final improvements, right now, it closes trades automatically when the histogram reaches the closing level. And I am adding a function for automatic trade opening. So when I make sure that everything works great, then I will make this system fully automatic. But even at this stage, because I see great potential, it has already been included in the core index. Now let's get back to the core index. This is what it looks like right now. A few weeks have passed since that crash. Over these few weeks, I have compiled the overall statistics of the portfolio, and the portfolio is showing slight growth, partly because these manual systems have been added to it. These are 3 new systems. But, for example, Hightower is currently in a drawdown. Grabber Automatic had this kind of drawdown and has only just started to recover. This is all thanks to Donald Trump, who either starts a war with Senran or ends it. As a result, the market is in turmoil, with turbulence across most currency pairs. They are swinging up and down, there is no system, a complete lack of order. It's impossible to trade properly, although some, like Vertigo for example, after a small drawdown, it has almost fully recovered. It has recovered almost all the losses that were incurred in the previous month. So, guys, this is what the core index looks like. All my systems that were at least somewhat effective showed a loss last month, but this month they have started to generate profits. And I hope that this growth trend will continue. I will be making videos about how I trade on divergences, on the bomber system, about how I trade on the superhero system, and about how the spread trading system works, and how I trade using the spread between two currency pairs. There are a lot of such pairings here. For example, I open a currency pair. Another one, New Zealand dollar against the yen and USD against the yen as well. A combined spread chart is created showing expansion and contraction. And in each of these specific windows, I execute strategic financial trades and will be consistently generating significant profits. And if you decide to partner with me on this journey, of course, you'll be able to secure a very substantial and reliable profit every single month. By the way, I also opened a synthetic portfolio with the broker DarwinX just a couple of days ago. And here is the profitability chart. There is even less risk here. I added almost 0.5% profit, which I earned. In general, development is ongoing. If you're following my work, you'll soon get a lot of interesting things. Videos about trading synthetic assets. A video about trading using the bomber divergence. A video about trading with my new system, Superhero. It will probably be released in about a week. It will already be available for purchase. An excellent system with good profitability and a great profit factor. So guys, let's move on. See you again in a week.